Now we have the quiz ready here, so I'm going to play this quiz. I'll click on continue, and this is the instruction slide. I'll click on start. So I have got the first question, which says Peter Maria and Associates operate a decorative stone and brick wholesale operation. Much of their inventory is stored outdoors. They have decided to put up a fence to safeguard their inventory. This would be considered a, so what type of control is this? Preventive control, detective control, corrective control, or prescriptive control? So according to me, it's a preventive control. Let's see. Currently my score is 0 and I'm question number 1, 5. Okay, I got it correctly. So I got it, scored some point here. Now I'm on the second question. Let me take a shot on this. Okay. Oops, I flunked. I missed the score. I didn't got any additional points here. Still 100. So similarly, I can proceed ahead with all the questions and complete them. Alright, so now we get this result slide which shows my total score and allows me to play the game again if I want to play it. Thank you.